For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, you're watching News9 Digital. I'm Abhijit Singh Bhamra and today I'll be talking to you about why few Australian and England players have actually requested the BCCI in order to reduce the quarantine period. What is this story all about, and will the BCCI actually listen into their demands? Now, the latest from the IPL 2020 has come out, and it has stated that a total of 21 England and Australian players, don't forget that there is a current series which is going on in England between England and Australia, and out of those teams, both England and Australia, a total of 21 players have requested the BCCI in order to reduce the quarantine period, which is currently stands at 6 to just 3. Now, why is it that they are stating it? Because according to them, that they are already under a bio bubble, and also the fact that they will have to move from one bio bubble to the other. So then the number of quarantine days can be reduced by 50%. Now, there are also reports which are coming out in the media that one of the players has actually talked to the BCCI president Sourav Ganguly, which hasn't made or rather who hasn't made any comment on this issue. But the player has actually told the BCCI that there can also be a possibility of seamless transition from one bio bubble to the other. Now, what does this mean? That the players are already under the bio bubble in Australia and England. The Australian and England players are already under a bio-secure bubble, and then from there they can be drafted straight into the IPL bio bubble, which means they might not miss even a single game. Now, according to the BCCI rules, all the players who are coming in from England and Australia, they will have to undergo a 6-day quarantine period, which means they are only eligible to play after September 23. Remember, the IPL comes in or starts from September 19, but they will be flowing in from September 17 in a special chartered flight, as I mentioned. But then, what about those 6 days? Will the BCCI listen in to their demands? Because there are many franchises which will actually be hurt by this 6-day quarantine period, and the owners too had requested the BCCI earlier regarding the same. Now, which are the teams which are likely to face the brunt? Now, at the top of the list comes the Rajasthan Royals. Well, a total of 3 players and most impactful players might have to miss the one game for Rajasthan Royals. The players are captain Steve Smith, then comes Jofra Archer, and most importantly their X-factor Jos Buttler. So that means a mix of England and Australian players there, and then there are other franchises also. Sunrisers Hyderabad, how can one forget this franchise? Their captain David Warner, and also his opening partner Johnny Bairstow, the England and Australian combination which worked so beautifully last IPL. And then you move on to Chennai Super Kings. Well, they are likely to miss the services of Sam Curran and Josh Hazelwood, who has been impeccable in England at the moment against the Three Lions in the ODI series. But the teams which are not likely to be hampered by in any case are Royal Challengers Bangalore, because their first game is on September 24 against Kings 11 Punjab, which means the quarantine period will be over by then and the players will be eligible. So the likes of Aaron Finch and others can just come into the side. Also, KKR will also not be hampered by the quarantine period, as they have some of the biggest names over there in the lineup, the likes of Tom Banton, the likes of Pat Cummins, Owen Morgan, how can one forget him? So clearly, some teams might be at disadvantage, that at least the England and Australian players will miss one match at least for their franchises, these 3 or 4 franchises. But will this hamper or will this affect their final outcome? Well, that remains to be seen. But most importantly, the request has come to the BCCI. Now, will the BCCI listen in? That remains to be seen. Now, what do you think about the video? Do you think that all the England and Australian players should be given that leeway and should be just drafted straight into the playing 11, or should coronavirus testing being done given the circumstances around the world? Do send in your comments and feedback, and I'll be looking forward to the same. In the meantime, do not forget to subscribe to News9 Digital across all social media platforms.